Hey guys, it's Aaron from Ace Sydney Electricians here. Now there's a question I always get asked, and that is, why do I need a safety switch? I get asked this question almost every second job that I go to. The simple answer is, safety switches, they save lives. So there's about, I think 40 people die every year from getting electrocuted, and if there was a safety switch on all those jobs where the person got electrocuted, 9 out of 10 of those people would still be alive. So it's really a no-brainer. Safety switches just save lives, and they are a must around your house. So here we've got like the standard domestic switchboard on the side of your house. If we open them up, I can show you what is the difference between a safety switch and a circuit breaker and fuses. So these things here are ceramic fuses. Now most places built before the mid-80s will have ceramic fuses. What they started doing after that was they started pulling the old fuse out and putting in these plug-in circuit breakers that you can see here. Also, if it's a newer house, you might have just a circuit breaker like this. Now the circuit breakers, the plug-in circuit breakers and the ceramic fuses, they all do the same thing, and basically all they're designed to do is to protect the cabling against overloads and shorting out. Now these ceramic fuses don't even do a very good job of that, because over the years you get Mr. Home Handyman who sees this fuse blowing all the time, so he thinks, I'll just put a bigger fuse wire in it. And now that will get your installation up and working, but instead of the fuse blowing when you're overloading your circuit, it will now start burning out the wiring. So it's not even doing that job very well. These plug-in circuit breakers do a slightly better job. They just make it a little bit more convenient, but they're still only protecting the cable. The circuit breaker, the hardwired circuit breaker like I showed you here, does the same job. Now the difference between that and a safety switch is a safety switch not only protects the cable and the installation, but it also protects the people that are inside the installation. So if a person is getting an electric shock, the safety switch will trip. Whereas if a person is getting electric shock and you've got a fuse, there's still a very large chance that the fuse will just let that person cook basically. It won't shut off the power unless there's like a major dead short, which doesn't happen very often when someone's getting electrocuted. So, and now, how can you tell the difference between a circuit breaker and a safety switch? This is a real easy question to answer. Your safety switch has this little button here labelled test or with a T on it. Here's the newer type of safety switches over here, these ones with the blue switches, and you can see the bright pink button with the T. The T stands for test. So if you press that button, I'm not going to do it now because I'll shut the power down for my office and I don't want to do that, but if you were to press this test button, the safety switch will turn off. So if you've got these fuses or these plug-in circuit breakers and you don't have a safety switch protecting every single light and power circuit, then please guys, just click the link at the bottom of this video and it will take you through a page on our website that explains Now, if you've got these ceramic fuses or the plug-in circuit breakers or normal circuit breakers and you're not sure if you've got safety switches or not, the chances are you probably don't. If you see these fuses, you need to upgrade your switchboard. So what I'd recommend you do is click through the link at the bottom of the page and that'll take you to a page on our website that explains to you how to tell if you have safety switches protecting your house or not. Otherwise, if you've got any questions and you're in Sydney, just give us a call on 1300 796 500 and we'd be happy to help. If you're outside of Sydney, just contact your local electrician and they'll be able to answer all your questions. Thanks for listening guys and have a great day.